Today we're making a beautiful Christmas centerpiece to decorate our holiday table this year. It's simple, natural and perfect if you love bringing a bit of the outdoors into your Christmas decor. Here's what you need. Pine branches, cypress or any greenery you like, I picked these three, natural pines, cinnamon sticks, LED fairy lights, candles, Christmas themed napkins, a wooden base, flora foam, hot glue, running scissors, white glue, double-sided tape. Let's get started. I chose these Christmas napkins to decorate the candles. First, separate the layers so you're left with the one that has the illustrations you want to use. Then gently tear out each element. Try to remove as much of the border as possible so it blends nicely on the candle. Brush a thin layer of white glue onto the candle, place your cutout on top and seal it again with another layer of glue. Repeat the process until all the candles are decorated. While the candles are drying, let's prepare the pines. All you need to do is remove the top so they sit flat and are easier to glue to the base. For the base of the centerpiece, I'm using this wooden board. I attach the floral foam with double-sided tape and place the battery pack for the lights in the center. This way, it stays hidden under the greenery, but still easy to access when you want to turn it on and off. Once the candles are ready, glue them onto the pines. So simple and so pretty, right? Now, let's start placing the branches and deciding where the pines will go. To make them extra secure, I recommend making a small hole in the foam with a spoon before inserting each pine. With the first branches in place, weave the fairy lights through. And then come back with more greenery and cinnamon sticks to hide the vibes. And that's it, a super easy, beautiful and budget-friendly Christmas centerpiece, made with materials you can literally find at your local park. I really hope you enjoyed this project. Thank you so much for watching and don't miss the next video. Alla Joana!